Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Anna. Anna loved to talk. She talked at school, she talked at home, and even at the market. She was always talking. But Anna had one terrible flaw. Anna couldn't keep a secret. If a friend confided in her, she'd spill the beans to someone else. And before long, everyone knew. This made her friends feel hurt. Trust began to fade, and some of them even stopped talking to her. Anna was confused and didn't understand why. One day, her friend Mandy told her a secret. By evening, the whole village was buzzing with the news. Her friend ran home in tears, and Anna got even more confused. She thought it was normal to tell on her friend's secrets. One day, Anna told her friend Chi-Chi one of her secrets, something that she had never shared with anyone in her life. By morning, the whole village was talking about Anna and her disgusting secret. Anna was hurt. She felt embarrassed and alone since she could not face any of her friends who had heard about the secret. At that moment, Anna finally understood how her friends felt when she had spilled their secrets. The next day, Anna visited each of her friends and apologized for betraying their trust. Her friend forgave her, but rebuilding trust would take time. From that day on, Anna made a promise to keep secrets safe and to speak with kindness. Slowly, her friends began to trust her again. Moral of the story: if you can't keep a secret, you might never have any friends.